Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to create Facebook posts in Canva. Creating Facebook posts in Canva is one of the easiest ways to design professional-looking social media content without needing advanced graphic design skills. But good Facebook posts are not just about putting text on an image. A strong post needs the right size, readable design, balanced visuals, and content that quickly catches attention while people are scrolling. Most beginners either overcrowd their designs or use templates without understanding how to customize them properly. Start by logging into your Canva account. Once you enter the dashboard, you'll have access to Canva's design tools and templates. Click Create. What this does, the Create button opens Canva's project creation options where you can start different types of designs. In the search bar, type Facebook post, then select it from the results. Why this matters, choosing the Facebook post format automatically creates a canvas optimized for Facebook's recommended post dimensions. Once selected, Canva opens the Facebook post canvas. What you'll see inside, the editor includes tools for templates, text editing, images, graphics, backgrounds, elements, and uploads. Now browse through the available templates and choose one you like. Why templates help? Templates provide pre-designed layouts that already balance text placement, colors, spacing, visual hierarchy. This makes designing much easier for beginners. Now customize the Facebook post however you want. What you can add, you can include quotes, promotional text, product images, brand logos, announcements, educational content, and call to action text. Why editing matters. Even when using templates, personalization is important. Otherwise, many posts start looking repetitive or generic. Good Facebook design practices. A strong Facebook post usually has clear focal points, readable text, balanced spacing, simple messaging, strong contrast between text and background. Before exporting, make sure everything looks clean and readable. Once finished, click Share. From the sharing option, select Facebook. What this does, Canva allows direct publishing or exporting to Facebook, making the posting process faster. To summarize, creating a Facebook post in Canva begins by logging into your Canva account and clicking the Create button. After searching for Facebook post and selecting it from the results, Canva opens a properly sized social media canvas where you can choose from different templates. Once you select a template, you can fully edit the design by changing the text, images, colors, and layout however you want. After reviewing the final design, clicking Share and selecting Facebook allows you to export or publish the post directly to Facebook. And that's how to create a Facebook post in Canva. The biggest difference between average posts and effective ones is usually simplicity. People tend to trust clean, readable designs much more than overloaded graphics trying to do too much at once. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.